right. I'm in my car. Let's mount this beauty on the screen. I'm gonna do it one-handed because I'm holding my iPhone with another hand. Anyway, we're gonna mount it just about here, and let's twist this lock so it locks in place. It's not going anywhere, is it? Nope. So let's try and mount my case. I took the phone out because I'm filming with it, so I'm just gonna use an empty case. Before we do that, let's just adjust the head a bit so it doesn't hit my dashboard. Just about there. Let's tie the screw up. Let's drop the phone. Pretend that's a phone there. Absolutely effortless. Just sucks right on. You can mount it any direction. You can have it horizontally, you can have it vertically, or you can have it upside down. Doesn't matter how you want it. Oh, let's try to throw it on. Anyways, just a perfect little mount. Super sturdy. Quad lock didn't let us down. If you want it, you can throw it in your suitcase, take it to your holiday, rent a car, and use it wherever you go. Super easy. Also, if you don't want to mount it on your windscreen, you get a plate in the kit. You can attach this plate anywhere on your dashboard. Make sure you don't do it on the leather, do it on the hard surface. So if you want to help out my channel, I'll add affiliate links in the description. You can get it from the eBay or from the Amazon. That will help me a lot. See you next time.